Okay, so today, we are going to start a topic called sphere and hemisphere. Last time we had done cone and cylinder. I think you know it. Okay, so after the completion of sphere and hemisphere, again that cone and cylinder they are used again. That means we need the formula of that topic. Okay, so do you remember the formula of CSA of cylinder?
Yes, sir. 2 pi RS.
TSA of cylinder
2 pi R plus H.
and volume of cylinder
Pi R square. H.
pi r square h.
Pi R
Okay.
square H.
Okay, so in the similar way, so let us learn about sphere and hemisphere. Okay, so afterwards they are going to be combined. So sphere, hemisphere, cone, okay, see, this cylinder they are going to combine. I'm like saying the formula again we need it in the future. Okay, after the completion of sphere and hemisphere, we'll use that topic also. So we need that formula also. Okay, so let me start now. So sphere and hemisphere. What is the formula of CSA of sphere? Sphere means it is like a football shape, table tennis ball shape. Okay, so earth shape, whatever we call it. Okay, so sphere. If it is round shape, okay, so round shape like earth, like moon, like ball, table tennis ball or cricket ball or something else, then that is called the sphere. Okay, goal halko, not only the chapati shape. Okay, so chapati just the goal halko matra haina, so it should be round also. Okay, goal type ko hunu paryo, then that is called the sphere. Okay, so what is the formula of CSA of sphere? So CSA of sphere is pi r square,
4 pi R.
sorry, 4 pi r square. So CSA and TSA of sphere they are same. That's why we call it just surface area only. Surface area मात्रै भनिन्छ यसलाई. Okay. So CSA, TSA भन्नु we call it surface area. Otherwise we can call it CSA, otherwise TSA also. So since they are same, we call it surface area only. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, and the TSA is also same thing, 4 pi r square only. Okay, 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square, both are same. And in case of volume, okay, in case of volume, so what is the formula of volume? So it is 4 by 3 pi r,
4 by 3 pi square.
4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the
Cube.
formula of sphere.
So that is cube, yes.
Yes, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So next thing, in case of hemisphere now, okay, so in case of hemisphere, radius and height, this is also a radius, this is also a radius. Okay, so your point बाट यता नाप्दा पनि equal हुन्छ. From this point, if you measure this point, then that is also called the radius only. Center बाट नापेको circle लाई what do you call it? Radius only. Okay, but यसो हेर्दा त यो त height जस्तो देखिन्छ. Okay, so let us find the height h. But we need to know that, so spheros चाहे तो hemispheros. Okay, so radius and height they are going to be equal. Radius and height they are going to be equal in size. Okay, so they are going to be equal in size. Radius and height they are equal to each other. Now what is hemisphere? Suppose you have thrown the ball to others home. Okay, you have playing the cricket, somebody has hit the ball so hard that it has gone to the next home. Okay, it has broken the glass of next your neighbor's home. So what they will do, what your neighbor will do, they will not give you that ball in a very good condition. They will cut it into two halves. Okay, and they will return you back. So that is called the hemisphere. Adi Kukra. Okay, so that is called the hemisphere. Now, so we have learned in social studies or science also that in case of Earth, okay, so this is called the equator. I think we have learned in social studies, otherwise in science also in the previous classes, that this is called the equator, and the upper part is called the northern. Upper portion is called northern what? Northern hemisphere. Okay, and the lower part is called the southern hemisphere. We lies on the northern hemisphere. Australia lies on the southern hemisphere. So in Unknowingly we were learning hemisphere, okay, in that chapters, in that subjects. So hemisphere means if the sphere is cut into equal half, ट्र्याक्क आधी टुक्रामा बनाइएको छ भने द्याट इज कल्ड द हेमिस्फियर, स्फियरको आधी, ओके, स्फियर अ कम्प्लिट फिगर, हेमिस्फियर आधी सेप, ओके, इट इज लाइक अ बटुको सेप. Okay, so since it is half, then what we need to do? So we need to make it half also. Okay, so TSHL hundaina, but others it is going to be half. So what is the half of 4? It is going to be 2. So 2 pi r square. What is the half of 4? It is 2. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Same. Formula is same. Okay, but in case of TSA, what is going to be the formula of hemisphere? It's going to be not 2
3 pi
pi
r
r
square.
square. Okay, so it is going to be 3 pi r square. In a 3 pi r square, because we have learned in cone chapter, cylinder chapter that TSA का meaning क्या हो? TSA means, so let us go with CSA. CSA means oripari. Okay, the round figure is called CSA, and PSA means the round figure. Okay, the goal figure plus the upper figure also, the matrix area. So what is the shape of this one? Is it square, rectangle, or what is the shape? What is it? Is it parallel? It is a circle. Okay, this portion is called circle. That means, so TSA means omega part. That means CSA. CSA the 2 pi r square. Okay, so let me write down like this. So CSA plus CSA plus, okay, oripari omega sign, that is called CSA plus. So the round figure, that is called the circle, area of circle. Area of circle is also added in it. Area of circle. Okay, so it is included in it. Now, what is the formula of CSA? CSA is 2 pi r square, isn't it? That means CSA is 2 pi r square. And what is the formula of area of circle? Anyone knows what is the formula of
Pi
area of
r
circle?
square.
It is pi r
Pi
square.
r square.
It is pi r square. That means 2 pi r square plus pi r square, it is going to be how much?
3 pi r square.
So that's why it is 3 pi r square. In a 3 pi r square bare, because one more circle is also there, and that circle must be added. Okay, so TSA र CSA त किन सेम भयो? बिकज यहाँ घुमेको पार्ट मात्रै छ, यहाँ एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट केही पनि छैन. देयर इज नो एनी एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट अफ हियर. Okay, just a round figure is only there. Round figure means CSA. So CSA and TSA, they are same. But in case of hemisphere, it is round also, plus there is extra part portion also. So that is the circle. Circle is left over here. So circle जोड्नु पर्यो. कतिवटा circle? एउटा circle. Okay. So one circle we need to edit. So CSA plus area of circle, that is 2 pi r square is the formula of CSA of hemisphere, plus area of circle is pi r square. Okay, area of circle is pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square is going to be 3 pi r square. So in this way, okay, you यसरी formula बनिएको हो. Okay, so 3 pi r square, it is made in this way. Okay, so let us come to the volume. Volume is also half. What is the half of 4? 4 को half 2 हुन्छ. माथि
2.
मात्र डिभाइड गर्ने, 3 लाई डिभाइड गर्ने हैन. 3 लाई फेरि 1.5 लेख्ला हैन. Okay, just divide the upper part only. So 4 means so 2. Okay, so the half of 4 is 2. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. So that will be the formula. Okay, so something that is asked in this question is area of circle. Okay, what is the formula of area of circle?
Pi r square.
And circumference of circle.
Pi r square.
Circumference of circle means perimeter of circle. Okay, perimeter of circle means 2 pi
2 pi
r.
r.
Pi r is the formula of circumference of circle. Okay, so area of circle pi r square, circumference of circle 2 pi r. Okay, so is there anything to ask in this chapter? You need to memorize it, because in the next topic we are going to use this all formula again. My dear student, please be ready with before 11 o'clock. Somebody are joining at 11:17. After 17 minutes, they are joining. Please be on time. Okay, so area of circle is pi r square. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, let me go to the topic now. Exercise. Okay, let me not write the PSA. So let us find the area of circle, circumference of circle, CSA, and volume of given sphere. Okay, so let us find out these topics today, and let us find out from CSA how to find out the radius and all. Okay, so number one, so radius is 7 centimeter. This radius, this is the sphere, and radius is given 7 centimeter. So find the area of circle, find the circumference of circle, find the CSA of circle. Okay, CSA, others we can just call it surface area also. Okay, curved surface area surface area because TSA and CSA both are same. Okay, so curved surface area equals to question mark and volume of the sphere equals to question mark. Okay, so let us go to the topic now. So what you are asked, area of circle. What is the formula of area of circle? Pi
Pi r square.
r square. What is the value of pi? What is the value of pi?
22/7.
It's 22 by
7.
it's 22 divided by 7. Into. Okay, so radius. What is the value of radius?
7.
This is 7. This is speaker. Let me get the response from you also. पढ़ा है फिर बुझे नहीं पढ़ रहा है. Okay, so this response. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 7 square. So use your calculator and get the answer. Okay.
154.
154. Okay, and it is the area. So what is the unit of area?
Square meter.
Square. Is it centimeter or meter? Is this question is given in the centimeter or meter? It is given in the centimeter. So your answer should be square centimeter. Okay, 154 square centimeter is going to be our answer. Okay, so let us go to the next topic then. Circumference of circle. What is the formula of circumference of circle? 2 pi
2
r.
pi r.
So that means there is many difficulty in this all topics because just you need to use the formula and you get the answer only. Okay. So 2 into pi means it is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into, so radius. What is the value of radius? 7. Hmm. So 2 means 2, pi means 22 by 7, and radius is 7. Radius is 7. If radius is 3.5, write down 3.5. It is 14, then write down 14. Correct? Now 7 and 7 you can cancel it. Cancel this 7, cancel this 7. That means 2 into 22 it will be how much?
44.
22, 44. And what is the unit of circumference? It is
Centimeter.
just centimeter only. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
next one. Let us go to CSA of sphere, that is surface area of sphere. 4. Let us write down 4. 4 pi r square formula. So 4 into Pi. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. Let me copy this. Let me paste over here. So 20 by 7 into, what is the value of radius? Radius is what 7. And the, so let us use the value of radius as 7. 7 is square. Okay, so 4 means 4, pi means 20 by 7, radius is 7. So that's why r square means 7 square. And you get the answer. It is 616. It is 616. 4 20 by 7 into radius means 7. 7 square. Use a calculator quickly.
1437.33. 1437 and 33.
The way you are calculating, I think that is mistake, my dear. So type in a calculator in the same way. 4 into 22 divided by 7 into 7 square. Type in the same way. 4 into 20 by
So how to
7
do?
into 7 square. How much?
4 into,
Type it in the same way. 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 square.
sir,
How much? Only Abhishek is present today. Out of 27 students. What is the answer? Oh, yo, bola na, bola. Speak up.
616 centimeters square.
Square centimeter.
Square centimeter.
Okay. Speak. Okay. So 616 square centimeter is the value of CSA. Ah. Now let us find the value of volume also. Volume of sphere. What is the formula of volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Abhishek, still you didn't get the answer?
no, sir.
Plaza. Are you using a calculator?
Yes, sir.
Still you didn't get 616.
No, sir. If that's the solution, I've already got.
What
I'm
are you
doing,
waiting
I'm
for?
just, I'm getting volume 1.
Okay. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3. Okay, write down 4 by 3. Pi means 22 by 7. And radius, what is the value of radius? It is 7, isn't it? So radius r cube means 7 cube. So let us write down and get the value. Okay, so tell me, Abhishek, what was the answer?
1437.33.
1437 point 33.
437.33.
Is it the answer?
Yes, sir. I'm telling this one answer. That one the
I
616
was
only.
asking the answer of CSA and you are saying the answer of PSA volume.
Sir, my answer is different from Abhishek.
It should be 1437. 1437. This is correct. This is the correct one. So type in this way. So do not multiply the upper number first. Do like this: 4 by 3 in a calculator also. 4 by 3 into
Yes, sir.
22 by 7 into 7 cube. Somebody does like this: 4 into 22 by 7 is 22 into 7 cube divided by 3 into 7, because there is
Yes,
into
sir.
3 into 7, and 7 will multiply, 7 will not divide. 7 is in divide sign, not in the multiply sign. Okay, so now jukos
Yes,
गर्ने 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 cube. Good. Did you get the answer now?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it in this way. Okay, calculation must be done in that way. Otherwise,
Sir,
do like
correct.
this: 4 into 22 into 7 cube divided by 3. This is also in the divide sign. Again, divide by 7. Divide by 3, divide by 7. And then you will get the answer. That way you can do it.
Sir, correct answer.
Okay, so let me go to the next question. Okay, so this is the question. So radius is 14 centimeter. Okay, so radius is 14 centimeter. Area equals to question mark. Circumference of circle equals to question mark. CSA equals to question mark. Volume equals to question mark. Okay, so this is your work. Please copy the question. We just have 10 minutes left now, so please just copy only. I'll go for the next question now. Copy this question and leave the page. Okay, leave the space for the answer. Let me go to the next question. Ready?
Sir, no B number.
The number. Find the missing value. Wait a minute, okay? Wait a minute. Okay, so let us do the number. Please be quick. We just have 10 minutes left now. All of it on your videos, video. Okay, let me start number B. So do this as your homework. Number 2. Let us go to number B. So find the missing value from the given sphere. So CSA of sphere is given 616 square centimeter. Find the radius. Okay. Otherwise, the question may be asked: find the area. So before finding the area, we need radius. So radius to निकाल्नु पर्यो. Okay. So let us find out the. Let us write on the question like this: area of circle equals to question mark. So let us write on in this way also. Okay. Little bit twist the question. Okay, so before finding the area of circle, what we need to find out? We need the radius first, and the radius to चाहिए. Okay, so radius निकाल्नु पर्यो. So from this formula we can find out the value of radius from
CSA of
CSA of
spherical.
circle. Okay, sorry, CSA of sphere. So CSA of sphere is 616. Okay, so let us use the formula now. CSA of sphere equals to 4 pi r square, or let us write down or. So sphere of CSF sphere. What is the formula of CSF? It is 616. 4 means 4 itself into pi means 22 by 7 into. Do we have the radius for value of radius? We don't have the value of
7.
radius. Right.
7, sir.
Okay, we don't have the value of radius. Now ready or
Sir, we can do two number.
Good. Okay, then after that, what we need to do? So let us take the divide sign this one, this side. Okay, so 616, 616 will be there into. Okay, so divide sign, that means 7 when it goes this side, 7 on the other side, it becomes multiply. And when multiply both this side will be divide. That means 4 into 22. Okay, I think you know how to do it. Equals to r square. So 616 divided both this side will be into 7 and multiply it both this side will be divide. So 4 into 22. That means it goes in the divide sign. Tall part it is divide. Now let us multiply the upper number and lower number and divide that number and get the answer. So how much will we get? How much is square?
7.
7.
7. 49.
49 also Allah side.
7
Right?
square.
So it becomes 49 r square. And finally we can write down or 7 square. 7 square equals to r square. Right? So cancel this one. So to so those who doesn't know how to calculate, do like this: 616 into 7 divided by 4. It is also in the divide sign. Eta multiply the regular. Tara yo kata sata. It is at the upper side or lower side. If it is at the upper side, multiply. If it is the lower side, tala 14 is a divide by 7, divide it. So 616 into 7 divide by 4 divide by 22. Then you are going to get 49. And if divide by 4 into 22 then you are not going to get 49. You are going to get a very big number. Otherwise do like this: 616 divided by 4 into 7 divided by 22. You can do like that also. Okay. So it both are in the divide sign. So divide both the numbers. Divide by 4, divide by 22. You'll get 49. Otherwise you can do like this also: 616 into 7 divided by and put the bracket 4 into 22 bracket close. Okay, you will get 49 again. So square and square will be cancelled. Finally, what you are going to get? Therefore, r is going to be equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, now okay, so we need to find out the area also. Let us find out the area. So what is the formula of area of circle? Area
Pi
of
r
circle,
square.
pi r square. So let us use the formula of area of square. Sorry, area of circle, pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7 into
154.
radius. Radius is 7 square, isn't it? Radius is 7.
Yes, sir.
This is 7, so square is also this radian squares. We can cancel them. So let us multiply it and get the answer of
154.
154.
Yes, sir.
154 square centimeter.
Sir, now two number.
Any problem? Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Let us go to the next number then. So volume of sphere is given this much. Radius nikala re. So let us go give the next question also. Circumference of circle equals to 1. circle also let us find out. Hmm. So if circumference of circle is given to find out, sometimes radius दिएको हुँदैन, radius निकाल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. Okay. So that's why let us find out the so to find out the circumference we need radius. So what is the formula of circumference? It is 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 pi r of formula. So let us to get 2 pi r, that means radius निकाल्नु पर्यो. So from where we will get radius? We will get the radius from the volume of sphere. So just को value दिएको छ त्यहाँबाट निकाल्ने the answer. Okay, radius को value त्यहाँबाट निकाल्ने, just को value दिएको छ. So here volume is given, so let us find out from volume. So volume of sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now let us use the formula. Let us use the value. So volume of sphere it is 1437.33 equals to 4 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7. Okay, so it is 22 by 7. Right? So instead of r square there is r cube. So 4 by 3 pi means 22 by 7, radius r cube is r cube over here. So take out the value quickly. So we just have 3 minutes left now. So 1437.33. So 3 will multiply this side. So 7 will go this side. It will be multiplying because divide rather than the multiply answer. Multiply both sides becomes divide sign. Okay, so let me copy this. Let me erase this one. Let me erase this one. Okay, and copy into. So kata ka number answer eta. So divide becomes multiply over here. 7 into 3 into 7. Okay, so divide it goes there,
21.
it will be multiply, and multiply it goes this side, it becomes divide. So 4 into 22 equals to r cube. Then how much will be the value? 1437.33. Be quick, so just 2 minutes left. Video may be off anytime.
Sir, 342.99.
42
342.99.
999
99.
equals to r cube.
That much.
So find the cube root of this number. यता क्यूब छ means यता पनि क्यूब रूट निकाल्छ.
18.5. Not entering.
क्यूब रूट.
Sir, how to take out cube?
Senior calculator shift अनि त्यहाँ root छ.
Boy.
We have less than 1 minute, right? So video may be off any time.
6.99.
Okay,
Sir,
6.99.
6.99.
So 6.99 means it is approximately equal to 7, eh? 6.99 भनेको 7 जस्तो त हो नि.
Yes, sir.
Video may be off any time, eh? So please. And after getting the radius, find the circumference. What is the value of circumference?
Higher square.
Circumference of circle equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So put the value and get the answer. Quick, 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 quick.
Or 44.